Okay, so I disconnected.
Why?
I have no idea why. I just hope I'm back in where I left off the obby.
Maybe.
And I'm not. Okay, that's good. So let's look at other stuff I could do. Let me just.
Why is this going so long? It's not a nice
Let's just go to Discover and see like the games going on.
Kaka baka. Baka.
Twilight Daycare.
Twilight Daycare.
Escape. Don't press the button. Yes, sir.
Ray.
Owie. That's for Terra Leave It. Oh no, I don't like the music on this. It doesn't need to be that. That's quite annoying. Yeah. Okay, regime. What is going on? How do I survive?
Don't follow the What is it? You're gonna. Oh, you're in the block. Oh,
Oh, there we go. How do I avoid falling off? Oh, it's a treadmill. I can't even jump. Oh no. Oh no!
Oh, go like that, go like that, go like that. Stay. Don't do anything. Ah. Yay! We got it by hacking, boy. Look, this is a sword. We pull it out. It's a very long one. Want to see it in action? Yeah. One player's won.
I won. I felt like most amount of fireworks. Is it like Rainbow Friends again? Rainbow Friends has haunted me for life. Can I go inside?
No.
Oh, firework! Ta-da! These people in this game who have
They're spoiling.
they're like the spoiled one. They're just gonna get away with everything with those rainbow.
Okay.
Yeah, I've only gotten one. Can't find any others.
Fireman. Fireman.
Fire. Oh.
I have to press E. Spoiled
Whoa.
person.
Are we done? Oh, we could go up. Can I not go up in any other building?
By jumping, so you can jump to the other building.
Oopsies.
Woo!
When does this finish? I'm kind of getting bored. Is there one that's yet to be found? Fleur. Never mind. I'm not gonna say that. Oh, blocks equal us to survive.
Find the blocks in cola.
On one.
Woo! You got the blocks in cola.
Yeah, boy.
We all survived everything.
The mountaintop. How do I even mountaintop? I still have my cola.
I have like 2 pens, a money bag, and a cola.
Oh.
Cool up. Let's finish the tour.
Oh, I died. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
This is scary.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hiya.
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 Hiya. Hiya.
Owie.
Hiya.
Ow.
Hiya. Hiya.
Stop. Jump. And I died again. I'm so bad at these. I'm like not noob. I'm average. Oh no! Oh no! Oh hi! Oh, why is it so dark? Oh, grab the incoming balls by touching them. It's just like, oh cool. I'll become the keeper. Anything comes here comes top. Oh, oh, oh. Mm. Touch, touch. Oh my god, you guys are so bad at this. Football.
With the ball.
Okay.
Scooping.
Oh, am I like that guy who missed the goal? I forgot his name. 66, 22, 17, 37,
You got us.
9, 25, 33, 60. Easy stuff says the winner. Winner, chicken. That's not good. That is. I apologize.
To the cringe people.
People get cringe easily. Cringe. Leave me alone. Oh wait, I have 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh, I was even. Complete the obvious. Okay. Oh, sounds like it. For me, it's such a dramatic music. I just realized it was recording. Why am I moving back? Click. The winners are Fleur, Ty, 2002, and then Silk Wolf. Silk Wolf. The winner is just gonna stop. Woo!
What's the Saya called? What is the Saya called? I don't know. It's called a Saya. And what is the scuba called?
Toba?
Yeah, kind of. So,
Stop standing on top of it.
people do that because they're dumb. And they want them to waste their money on poison sugar and stuff.
Yes, I did it. I did it. Boing boing.
Yeah.
Wow! Woo! Woo! See. Suey. Suey. Sorry. Suey. Hold on, that's messy now. Don't fall off the building. Okay. How do I? What's stopping me? Oh, this way. This way. No!
Loser. That's true. I think there's
Applause.
no.
Repair the broken window. Read the broken window. Who's gonna break the window? Repair tool. Oh, how many are gonna be broken? Jump! I'm just not doing anything.
The leaks coming out.
Oh, I pressed E.
Paramedic!
Oh no, we're dying. Oh no, we're dying. Fast! You're dying!
Just jump.
Oh yeah, I could jump.
No, this is like
Oh, I died. But you could say I'm not as bad at this game as others, but I'm fine. I'm normal. I'm beautiful. Why can't I? Ah! What? Oh,
you don't know how to do stuff.
stop! Stop!
What?
I told you so.
Why should I listen to it?
Because I'm your elder sister.
Who cares?
You should care. Everyone cares.
It's 8 billion plus.
Yes, 8 billion people care. Yes.
1% President.
Knock knock.
Knock!
Oh, mama! Can I kill that guy with that? I'm just gonna not move. I'm the winner.
You're the winner.
Winner. Candy. Ice cream is my favorite sort of candy, and that's my donuts. Are you kidding? You crazy?
You crazy?
Stop! Leave my hair alone. Stop! I need more candy. I got 1 candy. 2 candy. Candy. Candy.
Can I have some candy from the canteen?
I want candy.
I want canteen.
I want candy.
Oh,
Probably see it in the recording.
I spun it, and then I threw it, and then I actually caught it on.
Oh my god, you're so cool, I'm gonna cry. Grilled? How do I avoid being grilled, huh? Oh, it's the red part that I ran away from. Makes sense. Oh no!
People are dying.
Is it going in a circle? Yes, it is.
Oh, Julia!
Oh no! I won. I am not liking this music. It's kind of over dramatic.
Ow.
Oh, I almost went there. Oh, how are we gonna even? Uh oh. We're gonna die together. Oh, we won. Okay, is it like restarting? I will leave once a game repeats itself. Oh, oh. Do you not die?
You. When you're in the block, you are in heaven. And when you're not in the block and you're back in, and then you're Harry Potter.
The end? Oh, Minecraft.
Yeah, so wild.
I don't get it because people keep on like coming in front of me and I'm like blind and no ying. I get the rose. I'm gonna be a winner. Oh, I died. What now? I'm gonna leave now.